Hello and welcome to the channel. In this video I wanted to show how I fixed a loose jewel in a pallet fork in one of my mechanical watches. The way I did it could be applied to pallet forks in any mechanical movement. In this case it's an Emporio Armani automatic watch based on a seagull movement. The problem I noticed is that it works in one position and stops in another. You can see that the balance wheel is moving when the watch is in dial down position, but when I turn it to face up position it stops. Second hand is on the subdial and it is not moving. After I removed the balance assembly and found no issues there, I took out the pallet fork and looked at it under microscope. It became clear that the exit jewel is loose, and I decided to fix it. I had this miniature clamp that I bought some time ago, and I thought I can adapt it to the task. The clamp is made from brass, and it could be useful to be a small platform for the pallet fork when I need to heat it. I slightly modified by adding a second screw to hold both jaws while keeping the pallet fork between them. And here is the whole setup. The clamp is held in the small vise, and there is a pallet fork laying down with arbor being held between the jaws. To heat the pallet fork and the jewels compartment, I'll use an alcohol lamp. I'll also measure the temperature using a fluke temperature probe connected to the digital voltmeter, where temperature will be displayed on the screen. I connect the probe to the hole in one part of the clamp, close to the pallet fork. The ambient temperature is shown now, but we need something around 100 degrees Celsius to melt the shellac which holds the jewel. When it is melted, I can adjust the jewel position. Now I light up the alcohol lamp and we'll wait until temperature is high enough. And after a very quick operation, I was able to fit the jewel as it should be sitting there. Now we need to wait until the clamp is cooled down, and then we can take a fork out. After installing it in the watch runs well in any position. Thanks for watching. Please like it, subscribe to the channel and leave comments. And until next time, goodbye.